first we gotta clean the grill so we get that old piece of fat. Clean it, make it all clean and shiny. You can eat this after that if you want. No? We do the real deal after that.
Look at that beauty. They're so big, I don't think they're all going to fit.
I thought they're smaller for some reason.
Oh yeah, you only bought like an entire cow.
Oh well.
I think it'll fit, the last one will fit if you move that fat. When you pull that, yeah, one on the very right, down a little bit. There you go.
You know what I did? It's perfect size. Damn. Now they're even smaller. And hold on. We get the cheapest beer possible, so you don't want to waste good beer on the grill. Bam. That's it. Cheers.